So first of all, we know that volume of any right prism is area times height. So to find the volume of this prism, so what we need to do is we find the area of this trapezium here, and then we times the perpendicular height, which is 30 centimeters. So will give us the volume of this solid. So first of all, the area of trapezium. So area of a trapezium is a half of h a plus b. So which is a is a half of h a plus b. So h is the perpendicular height, which is from here to here, which is 8 centimeters, which is give me that. That's h, which is 8 centimeters. And a and b, this is a is 11 centimeters and b is 12 centimeters. Or a is 12, b is 11. It doesn't really matter because it's a plus b is same as b plus 8. So it doesn't matter which one is a or b. Most important is the perpendicular height, which is 8. So now all I need to do is just substitute these values in. So which is a half times 8 open bracket 6.5 plus 12 or 12 plus 6.5, doesn't matter, and put that in a calculator, which give me 74 square centimeters. So that's the area. So to find the volume, all I need to do is 74, which is area times height, which is 74 times the perpendicular height, which is 30 centimeters. So give me 2,220 cubic meters. So first of all, we know that volume is equal to area times perpendicular height. So what we need to do, we find the area of this trapezium here. We times 15 centimeters will give us the volume. But before we do that, of course, we need to find the area of this trapezium first. So we know that area of a trapezium is a half of h and a plus b. Now, to find the area of the trapezium, first of all, we know that 7 centimeters and 13 centimeters is all the way from this end all the way to this end. Now we need to find h first, obviously. So if this is 7 centimeters and 13, so we work it out to find h, which is put h here. So go 13 minus 7, which is 6 centimeters. So therefore, this must be 3 centimeters and 3 centimeters here, because 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we have 3 centimeters here. Just focus on one triangle. This is here. And then this is it. To find out the height of this trapezium, we use Pythagoras theorem. So the 5 is a hypotenuse, the longest side. So h equal, we look for the shorter length. So we minus. So 5 square, take away 3 square, and square root of that. To put in a calculator, and will give me the height, which is 4 centimeters. Now we have h. So all we need to do is just to substitute the value in. So this is a, which is 7 centimeters, b is 13, and the perpendicular height of this trapezium here is 4 centimeters. So all we need to do now is just substitute the value in, which is a half times h, in this case is 4 centimeters, and then a plus b is just 7 plus 13. So it will give me 40 square centimeters. So now volume is area times height, so which is 40 times 15. So that's with the will give me the volume of this solid here, and just put that in a calculator. So give me 600 cubic centimeters. So first of all, we know that volume is equal to area times height, which is perpendicular height. So what we need to do is we need to find the area of this panel here, and then we just times by the perpendicular height of the solid, which is 20 centimeters. So the front panel is like this. So what we need to do to find the shaded area, the best way to do this is we find the area of the whole rectangle. So which is a whole lot, which is 12 times 14.5, which is the whole lot. Then we need to minus this area here, which is 5 times 6, because 5 is given on here and 6 is this length here, which is 6 centimeters. So therefore the area of this small rectangle here is 6 times 5, the larger one is 12 times 14.5. So we find the difference, so which is 12 times 14.5 minus 6 times 5, which give me the area of the panel here, the front panel, so which is 144 square centimeters. So to find the volume, we know that volume is area times perpendicular height, which is 144 times by 20. So the answer is 2,880 cubic meters. Now, again, remember, important, volume of any solid right prism is area times height. So what we need to do is, in this situation here, we need to find the area of this panel here, the front, and then which is times by the perpendicular height, which is 15 centimeters. Then will give us the volume of this solid. So first of all, to find out the area of the front panel here, so first of all, I draw the rectangle out, and then what I need to do is just sort out some of the missing information. So first of all, I have 3 centimeters here, and to find out the length of this, all I need to do is 12, take away 2 here, and another 2 here, which is take away 4, so which is 8 centimeters. So this is 8 centimeters here. So we know that to find out the volume, the area of this shape here, so we need to find out the area of the larger rectangle, the larger one, and then all we need to do is minus this area here, will give me the area of the front of this solid. So which is 12 times 8 and minus 8 times 3. I just clear this first. So that give me the area of this shape here, so which is 72. So the area of this front panel here, which is 72 centimeters, square centimeters. So volume is area times height, so which is, in this case, the perpendicular height is 15 centimeters. So therefore volume equals 72 times 15. So which give me 1,080 cubic meters. To find the volume of this, first of all, we find the area of the shaded one first. So first of all, we know that the length of the outer length of the rectangle is 8.5 centimeters, and the width is 7.2 centimeters, and the inner length is 6 centimeters, and the width is 4 centimeters. So now to find out the shaded area, so we find the area of the larger one, which is the whole lot, which is 7.2 times 8.5, and then we minus this area here, which is 6 times 4. So 7.2 times 8.5 minus 6 times 4, which give me 37.2 square centimeters. So we know that volume is area times height, so which give me 37.2 times 13, because 13 is a perpendicular height, so which give me 483.6 cubic meters. I have put a link on my descriptions below, so please try to do those if you can. Thank you so much for watching.